MetaQuest 3 controller issues affect many users, with sync and connectivity problems representing 40% of reported cases, and battery issues accounting for 35% of problems. Let's tackle these two most common issues systematically. If your controller isn't connecting, start with repairing. Navigate to Settings, then Devices, then Controllers. Select the affected controller and choose Unpair Controller. Next, hold the Oculus button and menu button simultaneously for 3 seconds to initiate the pairing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. If repairing doesn't work, try a Bluetooth reset. Power down your headset completely, remove the controller batteries for 30 seconds, then restart the headset and reinstall the batteries. For battery issues, first check the battery levels in your controller settings. Use fresh, high-quality AA batteries and ensure they're properly oriented with clean contacts. To extend battery life, enable auto sleep mode in your controller settings and reduce haptic feedback intensity. These simple changes can significantly improve battery performance. If battery contacts are dirty or corroded, clean them carefully with isopropyl alcohol using a cotton swab or soft cloth. This ensures proper electrical connection and optimal performance. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved your MetaQuest 3 controller issues, the problem likely involves tracking and positional accuracy, which accounts for 25% of reported cases. The first step in advanced troubleshooting is optimizing your play environment. Proper lighting and room setup are crucial for accurate controller tracking. Next, reset your Guardian boundaries. This recalibrates the room scale tracking system and ensures optimal controller detection within your play space. Physical maintenance is essential for optimal tracking. Clean your controller tracking rings regularly and inspect for any damage that could interfere with sensor accuracy. For persistent issues, enable developer mode through the MetaQuest Developer Hub. This provides access to advanced diagnostics and real-time tracking data monitoring. If all troubleshooting steps fail, document your error patterns, capture video evidence of the issues, and contact Meta support for potential hardware replacement under warranty. Remember, Meta's 2025 support data shows that 92% of controller issues are resolved through software troubleshooting, with most problems being environmental rather than hardware related.